Gandhiji's principle.
Why do you remember this October 2nd? Because it's a holiday? No. Yes. Yes. Who is Gandhiji? Yes. Not more than a freedom fighter, he is the father of the nation. Whatever freedom that we enjoy today is because of that one great person who made non-violence as his weapon. He didn't use any sort of violence. He just used non-cooperation movement. Whatever the British people said, he was not ready to obey. Because it was for a noble cause. Don't say that whatever we as principals and teachers are telling, we will also not obey. It is not like that. It was something for the welfare of the nation. He put forward that non-cooperation motion or movement. Whatever the British said, it was not good for the Indians. So Gandhiji, he, motivated the Indians not to obey the rules and regulations of the British, which was later called as non-cooperation movement. And through this, or as I said, non-violence was his weapon. Through that, he gained the freedom that we got over here or what we are enjoying now here. So even when you grow up, keep it in mind this day, which holds the privilege of the nation. We should be proud. Aren't we proud to be Indians? Yes or no? This much energy is enough to say we are Indians. Yes. You should always be proud of your country, where you are living in. You see news, right? What is happening in Gaza? What is happening in Israel? Do they have a peaceful life? What do they have in Afghanistan? What do they have in US? They are all developed countries. But are we able to live the life or follow the religion that we want? No. India is that one big country which has all these privileges, the largest democratic country where each one has our own privilege. We are the boss of ourselves. So that is the greatest point of the nation that we live in. Always, when you grow up, when you become educated and when you move out of the school also, keep in mind, nation should come first.
On 2nd October 1869 at Porbandar in Gujarat, I am the father of the nation and I am the famous freedom fighter in India to use non-violence, civil disobedience